polished with logic group. And here I have a diagram of an aircraft panel that we're going to digitize, save it as a DXF file so that we can then cut it with the CNC machine. I just simply start the Logic Trace software, start with the trace mode, click start, and then my starting point there. And then it's got a lot of little corners here. I'm just going to digitize those corners using the tracing method, and it will automatically connect those with straight lines. Now down here I have a couple arcs, so I switch to arcs. Do the midpoint of the arc, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint. I now switch to a line, go all the way across the bottom of that panel. And then I have a couple more arcs on this side. So that point, that point, that point, that point. I'm going to go back to the trace method. And again, I'm just tracing those little corners, and then we'll connect them with lines. Makes it nice and fast and nice and accurate. Get to the end of that point there. Now at the top I have a curve, a nice smooth curve. We digitize that as just a series of points, and then the program will automatically set a nice smooth curve through that. Give me exactly the outline that I want. And then I'm all done. I click stop, and I got a great outline. Now I'm going to do an inside panel. Again, I'm going to use the trace method, click start, and I'm just going to digitize those little corners by tracing them, and the program will connect them with straight lines. Click stop, and I got a great panel. Let's do another panel. Click trace start. Again, just digitizing tracing the little corners. Now I could have done the corners as arcs if I wanted to, but this is a little bit faster and easier. Click stop. Let's do one more panel. Click trace start. Let's do this one over here. Again, I'm just tracing the corners, and it connects it with straight lines. And then click stop. I got great panels. Let's do 2 circles. Do 3-point circles. Click trace start. I do those 3 points there for that circle. It tells me the diameter. And I do 3 more points for the other circle. And it gives me the diameter. And I'm getting a really good diagram. I just go in and do all the circles, all the panels, make all the changes I want, and then save it as a DXF file, loaded it, that into my CNC machine. Thank you.